Hey guys, welcome to Tech tutorial. In today's video we're gonna learn onto how to add contacts on WhatsApp. It is a step-by-step guide to follow easily, and don't forget to hit the like and subscribe button. So let's dive right in. So to add a contact into WhatsApp, there are several ways for that one. So we're gonna focus onto Android for this. So for you to be able to do that, you'll just need to follow the steps if you want to add a new chat. So go to the chats tab for that, and then right after you need to click onto the specific button to add a new contact, and that's just basically it onto adding a new contact or a new chat into WhatsApp. Now, if you want to add from chat info or these are from saved numbers that you have chatted with, you need to go to the chats tab. Then right after, select a chat with an unsaved contact. So it will be represented by a number rather than a name in the chat itself. And then tap the top up bar to view the chat info and then click on the save. And to add into groups, you need to tap a message from a non-contact, add to contact, choose from the following. So there is save. This will say the new contact, add to existing contact. So type the name of an existing contact and then it will go ahead and try to click on the save and add to existing contact, where you could type the name of an existing contact and create a new contact to save. And that's just basically it onto adding a contact. And if you're also trying to add in an international phone number, there is another step for that one. And if you think this has been helpful, don't forget to hit the like, subscribe, and we'll see you on to our next video.